Thank you so much for coming. My name is Ayush. I'm the founder of Forum IS, and we are meeting, I think, for the first time, a lot of us. Many known faces here. And so basically today, the agenda of this meet is, we thought that we keep interacting on the forum, so we thought that let's meet one time and set the agenda for the mains examination. So first thing is that we'll be discussing in 90 days में around 90 days, how much time do you have before the mains examination? Yeah, but you're telling you're not going to tell that to yourself, you're going to tell yourself 90 days, something like that. So that, okay, so आपका जो next अभी आपका जो goal होना चाहिए for the next 110 days or something, you should be try to complete the syllabus at least 2 to 3 times. That should be the goal. Okay, so I'll try to help you out in achieving this goal and setting a roadmap for the same. And I'll expect that you'll apply your own brain, of course, make a plan for yourself, and we'll proceed from here. And I think we have a lot of prelims test series students also here. Juvak, Vikraj, okay, nice. Alright, so first of all, how many of you are scoring above 100? Okay, alright. 105? 110? And 120 plus guys? Okay, only Forum IS test series students. No, that's not true. Okay, so थोड़ा सा be a bit receptive, be a bit open. I know you all would be under tremendous amount of stress right now. आपको every minute will be feeling कि यार time waste हो रहा है. But trust me, the feeling is mutual. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा be receptive. And one more thing, how many people are in their third attempt or more? Third attempt or more. All right. Okay. So that's good. So, and how many people are already appeared for the interview? All right. Okay. So that's good. Okay. So see, the plan here is that for people who, and how many people are first going to write their first mains examination? So that's nice. See, there's a plan here for all of you, people who are going to write their first mains examination. The plan for them is going to be different. The plan for people who have already written a mains examination once or more than once is going to be different. And for people who have already appeared for the interview, there's going to be difference. See, for the first timers who are going to write your first mains, the big problem would be you have not even studied the syllabus once, largely. Because if you have not appeared for the mains, आपने नहीं पढ़ा होगा वो. तो आपको करना क्या होगा कि you will have to freeze your sources very soon. Okay, as you have to freeze your sources, start studying, then increment on those sources. See, there are two ways of doing something. One is, you make a big plan and implement it, and the other is the incremental approach. That is, you do the basics first and then you build upon it. For subjects like history, let me tell you, like we have paper 1 is the first subject, right? Paper 1 we have world history. So what are the new parts of the syllabus of paper 1? World history is one of them, you have not studied yet. And then post-independence, these are the two major. Indian society, maybe, I mean, you have read the Hindu newspaper, so you already have covered much of it. Okay, so I would say the first timers, they would not have studied it. The second timers and you have appeared for the interview, those people who appeared for the interview, they have studied it a number of times already. So आप लोग का यहाँ पर plan थोड़ा सा differentiation होगा. One thing that I'll tell you in the okay, we also have Narendra here. Okay, he is Grey Matter Rules on the forum, rank 86, and I think it's his third or fourth attempt. So what I have done is I've invited two people. One is Harsh, first attempt. He does not have his college degree yet. Okay, so I'm not sure how he's going to enter the service, but his college degree nahi mili hai, and he has cleared it in his first attempt. And the good thing is that he has 413 marks in GS paper. So try to pick up a few cues from him. Okay, and then I've also at the other end of the spectrum we have Narendra Shah. He is already first I think he first did not get an interview call, then he got an interview call after working hard. He improvised again and got the Indian Information Service later, and then after another year of hard work he got the Indian Administrative Service. So we have both ends of the spectrum. So that, see, why this was important was because Harsh will give you a couple of suggestions, and he may end up saying something like, ठीक है ये मैंने नहीं पढ़ा है, but that's not how you plan things. You're going to have a more solid plan than that. ठीक है, Narendra is going to say कि ये तो मैंने पढ़ लिया है, and he probably has studied everything under the sun. ठीक है, because it takes a few. I mean, those of you who have appeared for the mains multiple times or the interview would be knowing this. आपने सब कुछ पढ़ लिया होगा, but you are caught somewhere, है ना? So you have to take cues from both of them and come up with something on your own. That will be the plan. You cannot blindly follow, and the thing is, see, you have to come with your own plan, okay, based on whatever they say. And always try to find a superior plan. They'll both share their plan, and in the end I'll sum up the program by telling the most superior plan. At least that's what I'll try. ठीक है, तो आप दोनों से क्वेश्चंस पूछिएगा. Whom do you want to speak to first, Harsh or Narendra? Narendra. Looks like a lot of old timers here, huh? Okay, they want to speak to Narendra first. Okay, please come. Can we a bit clap for him? Okay, so I'll briefly tell you about him. He has worked earlier as Prime Minister's Rural Development Fellow. He's from IIT Bombay, and he was earlier working with the Indian Information Service, and he has read at least half the number of books which Harsh has done. Harsh has gotten super good marks, 413 marks in GS, and Narendra has also got how much 393. Okay, that's pretty close. So goal आप लोगों का भी होना चाहिए कि you'll try to pick up cues so that you are able to score somewhere in this range. See, before that 393, I mean 400 marks was, I think, not achieved by many people. Mostly I think on the forum Neanderthal is there, Anunay Jha. So I think he had very good score, and he had pushed his entire theory about how he was doing interlinkages and all. So, lekin after that was exceptional marks. Now 400 marks or something is not. I mean, you have to score somewhere around that. You have to score 360 plus. I mean, the marks have increased. The good news is that it's not skewed in favor of ethics paper. Okay? I mean, until last time, what was happening was people were scoring 140 in ethics and very less marks in the other papers. Now, at least last year, what happened was, I think Rishi Pandey or something, he got 109 marks and things, right? I mean, he was among the highest people that we had at the community meet. So people have scored somewhere in that range. So your goal will also be that you try to score somewhere 100 plus in all the papers. You cannot really predict 130, 140 score in or banking on a single paper. Okay, so Narendra will tell his story. Okay, let's listen to him first.